everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can say goodbye to belly fat. Okay, so I know that there are some people who are actually determined, okay, to do this, and there are some people who are determined but they are not willing, yeah, to do this. Now, for you to achieve your results, you have to be determined, you have to be willing, and you have to practicalize it and use it continuously, and you are going to be seeing a huge result. Now, this is actually very simple, and it goes really well in the mouth. Like, it's so tasty, like I love it. Okay, so let me show you how I made it, yeah, and stay put. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Now let's go. Now your belly fat will go forever guys when you use this. Okay, so this is oranges. Okay, this is our local orange, because I actually done a video about orange before, and so many people were saying, oh, this is not orange, oh, this is whatever. This is our orange. This is orange. I'm actually going to be showing you their differences. This is our lime. It's still green. Sorry, lemon. Sorry guys, this is our lemon. It is still green. This is lemon, and this is our lime. Yeah, this is lime, lemon, and orange. All of them are green, so our land is basically green. That is why we have all of our fruit green. So this is lemon, this is oranges, and this is lime. But in sizes, that's when you know. This is small, this is big, and almost the same size with the orange. Sometimes the oranges can be big, it depends. Okay, so what we're going to be needing is orange, and you can take as much oranges as you want. Okay, now this is how I'm going to be doing it. Now why I'm actually doing it this way is so that there will be much juice that will come out. Now orange has a lot of vitamin C and a nutrient that helps to reduce belly fat. Mixing it with other. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to press the orange. Now you have to use as much orange as you can get, yeah, in this remedy. Okay, so now I'm gonna get a cup, and then what we're going to do is to press in the oranges, or rather let me just press it into here, then I'll just sieve everything together. And you have to press in as much oranges as you have. Alright guys, so here is my orange juice. Okay, so the next ingredient, which is very important, is lemon. I've actually shown you the differences in this lemon, yeah, so I'm going to cut in the lemon too, and I'm going to be pressing in all of this lemon. Now when you're actually using, you don't use too much of lemon, yeah, you shouldn't use too much of lemon. Okay, so I'm gonna be pressing it this way. Alright, so there's not much of juice in this lemon. So the next ingredient is turmeric. Now turmeric is a great spice for eating, great spice for stew and all of that stuff, but it's great for detoxifying and removing fat in the body. Okay, so I've actually tried it. Try this particular tea that I'm going to be showing you guys. You're going to be testifying, yeah, so you're going to be taking just a little quantity of turmeric, yeah, and I'm not going to be putting the turmeric inside of there. I'm gonna be reaching out for another cup, so I'm gonna be putting just a little of the turmeric. Okay. So equally going to be making use of ginger, and for this, guys, you have to make use of just a little of ginger. You don't need so much, but if you're actually making this to store it, you can actually, you know, put plenty of it, yeah, because you're gonna be storing it. Yeah, okay. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna be scraping or peeling. I'm actually peeling, yeah. I'm supposed to be scraping it, but I just now for 1 glass of this tea, you'll be using 1 piece of this, except you're going to be storing it. That's when you're going to be using much, but I'm going to be using all of them because I'm going to be using all of them because I'm going to be putting in water. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be rinsing this out. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting in just a little water. Yeah, so we can actually blend this. Okay, since the ginger is actually small, if I don't put in water, I'm not going to be able to blend it very well. And this is okay. So this is it, guys. Okay, now I would have to be turning it into the orange. Oopsie, good one, guys. Oh my goodness, look at how it is. Yeah, okay, so I actually didn't put in lime here because it was not inclusive in the mix. Now I'd have to be grabbing this, and then I will then sieve this out into this cup. Okay, guys, so this is your fat removal remedy. See how beautiful that is. Let me have a taste. Oopsie. It tastes really nice. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna drink this in the morning, and you're gonna drink this in the afternoon, and you're gonna drink this in the evening. Guys, all of the ingredients here are very healthy, but when you want to use the lemon, do not use too much. Just like I earlier said, my own lemon does not contain too much of water. That's why I squeeze everything. So this is how it looks like, and it looks really yummy. It looks really good. And you're gonna be removing all of those annoying and, you know, rubbishes belly fat and the stubborn ones too. When you drink this in the morning, afternoon, and evening for 2 weeks, it's gonna attack that belly fat, no matter how bad it is. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. It's great, and I would recommend you take less of carbohydrate food and take less of sugary things, and this is going to be working excellently well for you. Okay, guys, so that's it. You know, you drink that as often as I've told you in the video, and you are good to go. This is actually going to help you to flush out your cologne. It's going to equally help your skin glow, because you know what you take in actually reflects from the outside. Yeah, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye, guys. Mwah.